Miracle Parents. We are in the episode 6 of Hall of Miracles. So, every day, the parents of HPU following the whole brain acceleration system is able to see a lot of miracles with their children. They are able to unleash their child's cognitive, emotional, social intelligence. So, we are so glad to feature them on my Hall of Miracles videos so that you understand what is the potential that our babies have. You understand what are the potential that our we super parents have. So we have overall we have done over 5 episodes in the past week, Monday to Friday, and today we are on the episode 6. Today we have Deepanti, so I'm just waiting for Deepanti to join. Let me try if she's here. So we're gonna add join பண்ண சொல்லு. Yeah, so until she joins, I just wanted to ask you guys if you have watched the previous miracle videos, because it's very important for you to watch it at least, because you have to know, you have to be aware of what is actually possible with you and what is possible for your child. Okay, because the early years brain development is so rapid, and during these early years, when you are able to spend 5 minutes of quality time with your child and doing the tools which is required for them during these early years, then you are actually gifting them with lot of amazing things that they can use to develop as a human. You know, because right now it's not only about the information brain, it's not only about knowing the information, it's more about doing it. And also our children are being grown for the future, they are not being raised for the present. Okay, I'm not able to see yet. Yes, I have Deepanti joined. Let me add her in. So I want you guys to watch the previous videos if you have not yet watched. Hello Deepanti, good
Hi
morning.
Nalini, how are you?
I'm
Very good
good.
morning.
How are you?
I'm absolutely fine. How are you?
I'm good. I'm good. I think we spoke 1 year ago for our Hall of Miracles, one of the in the Zoom interview. 1 year later,
Yes, we
here
are
for
here.
the Hall of Miracles Instagram live. So,
Yes.
so I know you personally well, but I want you to introduce yourself and your child join so that people who are watching may have an idea.
Yes, Nalini. Nalini, your voice is
Yes,
cracking a little bit.
my voice is
There's a
little.
little lag. Yeah.
Oh, okay, okay. So, okay, I think my network is having some issue. I'll open the door so it will be fixed.
Okay.
Go ahead.
Yes, Nalini. I couldn't hear your question.
So I asked you to introduce yourself. What is your baby
Oh,
age and when did you join HPU?
yes, I'm Dipanti Bakshi, and I joined Nalini when my daughter was 17 months old. She's 3 years, 3.2 now. So it's been a great journey, and uh, I always mention this, and I'd like to repeat it that I'm so grateful that I found you. That was, I think, one of the best decisions of my life when it came to my daughter.
That's beautiful. So I have been a part of holistic parent was the concept that the- what is the journey to a 3 year old? What is the journey?
Yes. Um, it's, how do I put it? They say that when it comes to a child, sometimes it's very difficult to know what is right, what is wrong, what's the path, what do what exactly do you do? Like when you go to a school, there's a set curriculum. You know that you have to do, okay, you have these exams, you can test your child, or, you can test their performance, you have teachers to guide you. But when it comes to raising a newborn or a toddler, you don't have any set curriculum. There's no structure, there's nothing organized. So I feel after I joined HPU, our community, and under your guidance, Nalini, I've got that, and I've always mentioned this, that I've found a very structured way to go about what in a day I want to do with my child. How am I not losing out on that innate potential which newborns or which toddlers have? So that is something that was, it's been such a tremendous journey. And unfortunately or fortunately, we see, changes only when we see results.
Yes.
It's only
Yes.
then when we appreciate things. But in this line that we are following, the whole brain acceleration and the right brain education, which is guided by you, and the courses that are structured by you, it's so wonderful because I felt like I got meaning to my life. I mean, especially when it came to like teaching my toddler something. It was so structured. I have seen how when she was 17 months old when I started, and just 6 months later, one fine day I just said, okay, let me see, let me look for results. I mean, is it really, is it really happening? Like, is there some change? And I was so surprised and blown away. I remember that we were doing flashcards with her for countries, and I had about 15, 20 countries. And it was just a regular session of a right brain during a brainathon or something, or I think I was just very regular with it every day. And I said, okay, one fine day, I said, I'll just test, I'll see if she remembers anything. And I was so shocked and surprised. She was so young. She could not only identify each flashcard, but she could also name every flashcard, almost all correctly. So that was the day my parents and my brother all around, they were so amused, and they were like, how can such a young child, like, remember? And with just a few seconds of flashing those flashcards for just 5 days.
Yes.
So that's when you start to discover that, okay, there is something right that you're doing here, this path, you have to just trust the process, not always be result oriented. So I have seen a lot of change now. Now she's 3.2 years. Now we have come to a time where she comes and tells me, okay, let's do a right brain. She's so excited. Oh, I have to tell Nalini ma'am, I finished my task today. She'll do all the eye exercises with me. She'll do all every single warm up exercise. She knows she'll do it with me. She'll say, "No, Mama, you do it first, then I'll do it." So she'll flash the cards also.
Mm.
So I've seen that change.
Beautiful. So since you are doing this from her 17 months right now at 3 years, started.
Yes,
So, so what are the other benefits that you are seeing communicating to her emotions?
abs. Yeah, I think the activities also that we've been doing, like the intuition process, everything. I think, like, I remember once you said that when we are playing, we have this intuition games that we play, which are guided by you. So sometimes what happens is she's almost all the time she's right, but there are some days where she might not intuitively pick the right card, or maybe the right whatever it is in my hand. But I have seen that in general, in our regular life, her intuition has become so strong. I remember once it was a little dark, and I was giving her something to eat, some date balls or something, and I was passing it to her, and she kept eating, but she rejected one, and it was a little dark. I think the current was we didn't have electricity or something. It was raining, and I was wondering why is she rejecting this one and all. And then when I just switched on my flashlight or something, I found that there was some dirt in it. So I
Wow.
was, it's a very small thing, but what I'm saying is, you get to see these
The,
intuitive thing.
the
Yeah,
clairvoyance in the
the
wow.
clairvoyance, exactly. And I was like, how did she know that? I'm holding it in my hand. I didn't see it. I just offered it to her and she rejected it.
Mm.
So there are so many things like these that I felt that I mean, even her emotional intelligence also. If I see that, there was a day when I was a little irritated, and her soap kept falling from her hand, and I was a little irritated because I just washed her hands and I had to wash her hands again. So I was a little miffed. So I said, "What? You are. I mean, again, have to wash your hands. What is this?" And she told me, "Ki, Mama, I'm a baby, Mama." So I said, "Okay." I had to, again gather my thoughts. I said, "Okay, yes, she's just a baby. It's okay. It happens." So much to learn from them. So I've seen
Yes.
her emotional intelligence is also like it's really her EQ is very high.
Mm. So since you are seeing the results child right now, what is that you feel that after another 3 years or 5 years from now, what kind of child you want to be, you want to have in 5 years from now, and what kind of parenting you would love to share with her?
Yeah, they say that, like, I mean, they say that, the one thing that we also, along with the children, we must do is observe things without evaluating. J. Krishnamurti says this, that you should always observe. If your children can learn to observe without evaluating, then there's nothing like it. So I think with my daughter, I have learned so much. Parenting is. It's a completely different ball game. You learn each and every day something new to learn. However, you may master so much, you may do everything, but your child never fails to teach you anything. And I feel for my daughter, that's what, Nalini, I think 5 years down the line, 10 years down the line, even later, I hope that she always makes right decisions for her. We make mistakes. She's bound to make mistakes. She can make any mistake, which I mean, there's nothing about that. But I hope that she's intuitive enough to make good decisions for her. I hope that whatever is her innate potential, she maxes that. I hope that she utilizes that to the max. And basically the path to that. This whole brain acceleration, these right brain activities, this guidance is for that, because you start young. Whatever is set right now, which whatever is ingrained in their brain, it will remain somewhere or the other. Even if they make a mistake, they'll come back to the right path. You can trust this process.
Yes.
So
So what,
I hope she utilizes her potential to the fullest.
yes, it's the foundation that right now, and the
Yes.
child is naturally, so that just getting so glad that your vision is also aligned to the same.
Yeah.
So, what do you think about the HQ community? How you are a concept? How do you think that this has meaning in your life?
Yeah, I think our community is one of the best communities. It's so supportive. It's so amazing to see so many moms sharing their tidbits on everything. We have uh, we have information on what activities you can do. Every mother is so creative with their child, and there's such a sense of support amongst each other. You're always there for each other. There's no jealousy. There's no comparison between children. We as mothers, we really understand that every child is unique and they have their own strengths, and how we focus on them and how we can help other mothers to also find that. It's
Yes,
such a positive and great supportive community, whether it is learning shlokas, whether it is boosting each other, motivating each other to be consistent with our activities. It's just such a positive community.
yes. From whatever you have said, I have also just got that so competitive. And one of the things what I'm really of comparing,
Yeah,
uh,
yeah. Nalini, your voice is breaking. I can't.
there is some issue with my network.
Yeah,
It's okay. So
yeah.
yeah, so there is one. Yeah, now you are able to hear me
Yes,
clearly.
yes, yes, yes,
So what I was saying is, I used to always say HPU is a very collaborative community. We have
yes.
always been raised and grown up in an environment where children are constantly being compared. I think together, we parents, we mothers are breaking that pattern of being
Absolutely.
competitive instead of we are
Yes,
collaborating with each other. I
yes.
can see that our HPU kids in future is going to have a lot more collaboration, which is very much required. So I'm so grateful for people like you in the community who is collaborative and breaking this pattern and being that change maker. So if
Absolutely.
there is, yes, 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 go ahead. Sorry.
No, I mean that's one of the, I think, greatest things that we have in our community, that we are very supportive towards each other. And there's always we are appreciative of other children's strength. We are so appreciative of the efforts that other mother takes. We're not there to judge. We're not comparing. We are only learning. That's the
Yes,
best part. We're really learning. We're not comparing.
beautiful. So if there is one golden nugget you want to share with the parents out there who's watching this video, what that could be?
I think. if it's particularly about like our community and this entire process, I would really like to tell the parents. I've been with you, Nalini, for now more than 2 years. And I remember this decision of joining you as well was very intuitive. Something just told me. And the
Yes.
one thing that I did was I never doubted this process. I'm so glad. I wholeheart when I said the day I'm under my coach, Nalini is my coach. I mean, she's my guide, so I'm going to trust her completely. And once you do that, and I like you always say that please trust the process and not the results. You know, don't test your child every now and then. Just trust the process. I really did that. And I've said this before, I'll repeat it again. This is the best investment, the best decision you can take for your child is to join our community, be under the guidance of Nalini because she truly is so giving. And Nalini, I'm not just simply saying this, but really you are so motivating. I think personally to me, it added so much meaning to my life because now with my daughter, you know, I know in this particular age, you know, what I had to do. It's so structured. I know how to go about it. And then, you know, your own intuition starts working, your own creativity comes. And our community is so great. There is so much of information. You can just log into a community and this plethora of information there, what activities you want to do with your child. Our mothers are so creative.
Yes.
I mean, it's just making the right decision at the right time. I was lucky. I wish I found you sooner. I really wish, but I hope parents do take this action soon.
Lovely. So you are now stepping into your next level of becoming a baby's brain coach. I'm so glad
Yes,
to have you in the baby
I'm
brain
so
coach
excited.
certification. Especially for the people who have done the process, who have followed the system, and now stepping forward to work with other parents together. We are going to create a
Yeah,
massive impact in the world. So I'm
impact.
so
Yes,
looking forward to for you to launch
same.
your own baby brain coach path along. So yes.
Absolutely, Nalini. I think, you know, the one thing that after I became a mother, I've all the more, you know, that empathy and your sensitivity towards how kids should be dealt with, and every single, it's grown so much. So that's when I realized that this has to be the path. And you were such a great inspiration for that, Nalini. Like you always say, how you want to impact so many lives. I too share the same vision. I not only want to impact, you know, my daughter's life, but everyone around. I think every child deserves this.
Yes.
Every
Yes.
child deserves a shot at this, you know. They need to find their potential, and it's just a little bit effort. This is
Yes.
not even that you have to spend hours and hours with your child. It's just 5 minutes in a day, 10 minutes in a day, and it makes such a great
It becomes your
change.
lifestyle
It
once you start practicing it. Yeah.
Absolutely. And you're bonding with your child, you know, that improves so much. It's just a very great way to bond with your child to, use this time that we have. It's time is just slipping, and when they are toddlers, they are newborns, they are infants, they are toddlers. You don't even know, you know, time just
Yes.
flies. So
Yes.
this really helps to kind of get a grab on okay what I can do with my child to discover
Yes.
reach their max potential at this age. So I think it's a must do for all parents.
Superb, superb, Dipanti. Thank you so much for giving your time and thank you so much for sharing all your experiences. And I truly wish more miracles to you.
Thank you.
I want to
Thank
see
you.
the same thing even 1 year from later. I've been seeing your child from 17 months right now. She's 3 years,
Yes.
and this journey is just going to continue, continue, continue. So yeah, I'm
Absolutely.
so looking
Nalini,
forward for
I
it.
just wanted to share one small thing as
Yes,
well
please.
before we,
Yes, yes.
I remember I was in a train journey with my daughter, and I just want
Hmm.
to talk about how your child gets so creative by themselves.
Hmm.
I remember we were having some breakfast, and
Hmm.
we have the space memory, the grid memory that we do. Uh,
Yeah.
so I remember I posted it about I posted about this on our community as well, and I was so surprised because your child also gets so creative, you know, when they are part of this process for quite some time. I remember there were 4 items in our plate, and she on her own she said, "Mama, let's do space memory." And all 4 items she placed them in a grid, and I, you know, what we do our regular thing, and I was so amazed by it. I said, look at that creativity. And now even when we do eye exercises, you know, she takes any item, she gets different items. Let's do eye exercise with this, with a bat or with a pom pom or with a ball. So, I mean, I'm
That's
just
the
trying to tell the
beauty. That's the
parents,
beauty of this whole brain acceleration because
yeah,
parents used to think that till what age should I be doing this? This is one
yeah,
of the questions the parents used to ask.
yeah,
I'd be like, do you eat, do you ask when you start eating, when your child starts solids, do you ask these questions like
yeah,
until when I have to do the same way? When we are
yes,
starting, we are the ones who is going to give an input.
yeah,
After a point, the child
yeah,
will start to give their own inputs on how we collaboratively work together. It's
together,
not just only
absolutely.
the mother's decision.
Absolutely. It becomes a two-way thing. Absolutely.
Yeah.
Your child will be in fact much more involved than you at a
Yes,
point in
yes.
time when you start seeing when you've been in this for a long time. They'll
That's
make
very
sure that
true.
whether you're doing the flashcards with them or whether you're doing these kind of activities with them, even if it's precognition, my daughter will
Mm.
sometimes just come and she'll pick up two items. She'll tell me, she'll be, okay, Mama, what do you think? Nanama will pick up which one? You tell me.
Mm.
So very small things, but you see their outlook, how it
Yeah.
becomes. Yeah.
And what I'm seeing right now with my daughter is that she's becoming more independent. So if all
Yes.
I have to do is just set up those things, and
Correct.
I'm seeing that she's more independent towards the things that she likes. So when we are observing the child, we are giving them the opportunities. What I'm
Right.
seeing is that she is doing it all by herself. I think that is something that can be done by all the parents because I have been seeing other parents how they're struggling even when the child is 10-year-old to be always being dependent in for each and everything. And I'm
Yeah.
seeing my 4-year-old is a lot more independent than. And personally, I feel
Right.
that is a big win
Absolutely.
because personally, I feel like I cannot be with my child doing every single thing for her.
Yes.
So I think that is also another aspect that all of us will start to unlock in the future. Yeah.
Absolutely. Absolutely, Nalini. I mean, I think you just have to trust this process.
Yes.
Once
Yes.
you're in it, you're going to win this.
Yeah. There is
Yeah.
nothing to lose. It's only
There's
the wins that we are
abs
going to see. Yeah.
absolutely. It's you are bound to see changes in your child, positive changes. It
Mm.
will.
True. Very nice. Very nice. Thank you so much, Dipanti. Actually, the conversation was really fruitful. And let's have more conversations in our baby brain code certification. Together,
Absolutely.
we are going to do a massive impact. So, parents who are watching this, if you want to be a part of the HPU community, type super in the comments and join the Super Genius Launchpad. And I'll meet you guys soon in the HPU community. Thank you
Thank
so much,
you.
Dipanti.
Thanks a
Say
ton,
hi to
Nalini. See you.
Ovadia here.
Definitely. Thank you. Bye,
Thank
Nalini.
you,
See
dear.
you.
Bye
Bye.
bye.